This Rodeo Realty property video is presented by Carmen Mormino. Less than bedroom greater than number 1,808,462. Reimagined one-of-a-kind 3,400 square feet floor plan that fills any needs of today's new normal. Bring your paintbrush/add your touches to this Westlake Village jewel, located in highly desirable village homes, featuring 5 bedrooms plus playroom and art studio, perfect for home office/homeschooling, adjacent to a bonus room to fill any and all needs. Off the bonus room you will find the back staircase leading to dual bedrooms/attached shared bath, ideal for those who desire their own wing. Owner's suite features spa-like bath illuminated by natural light with 2-person hydromassage bathtub with chromotherapy and 2-person spa and steam shower with aromatherapy/chromotherapy. Prepare your meals in gorgeous kitchen redesigned with custom cabinetry, soft closing drawers, beautiful glass tile backsplash, and newer appliances. Abundant storage throughout, rivals homes twice this size. Gaze out of upgraded dual-paned windows into your private backyard with dual entertaining/play areas. On sunny days, electric awnings keep you cool. Plug your cars into the Tesla wall charger or the added 220V outlet for a second EV. All this combined with the finest schools, shopping, and restaurants of Westlake within walking distance make this an opportunity that cannot be missed. For more information, review the details below or contact Carmen Mormino. Less than bedroom greater than number 1 million.